got this one in today for a paint correction for overspray removal. This gentleman parked his car and construction was going on, and they got little flecks of white plaster or something on his paint job. And the gentleman just bought the car, and now it's all spotted up. So he brought it into Excellency to get it excellent again.
How you guys doing? I'm over here at Excellency Auto Detailing. My car I had it for a week. It got oversprayed by the construction crew that was at my apartment building, and I really needed some help. I brought it out here, fingers crossed that they were going to be able to take it all off, and you can see for yourself, it's gone. There is nothing, there is no spray, there are no dots left, and the car looks absolutely beautiful. Mike here is amazing to work with, and I would not recommend these guys anymore. Come on down here. Excellency Auto Beauty.
Excellency Auto Beauty.